Hi guys, a few of you like the idea of the tiller extender, which I used on last week's video. So since I don't have any tides this week to go sailing, I decided to make a very quick video to show you how I built the tiller extender and the reason why. That might just be enough. So the reason why I decided to extend the tiller. When I sail my skiff solo, I need to go forward a bit and sit more or less in line with the mid seat, so to keep that bow low in the water. So I need a very long tiller extension, and I've used that from day one, which is fine. In most cases, most situations, there is absolutely no problem. But in strong winds, it gets hard to control the boat. You'll actually need quite a lot of strength at the end of such a long extension to keep the boats going straight. For that reason, I thought I might be able to minimize that by reducing the tiller extension, but increasing the tiller. Of course, I don't want that to be permanent, because if I have someone else on board, then it will be way too big, that tiller, and it might get on the way. So I decided to make something adjustable. And that is why I came up with the tiller extender. Right, I have to wait for the epoxy to dry and I'll keep going tomorrow. And that's it, guys. It couldn't be any simpler than that. And by the way, I am now making a new tiller extension because I think I cut the other one a bit too much. But guys, stay safe and I'll see you next week.